Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and traditional Afghani Mutton Kadhai, not with added oil, but using the mutton's own fat. Let's begin the recipe. First, we'll melt the mutton fat to extract its natural oil. Once the oil is released, I'll remove the leftover fat pieces and keep them aside to use later. Next, add the mutton to the oil with salt to taste and saute it well until the raw smell goes away. Then add a little water, cover it, and let the mutton cook for about 30 minutes. Now, place whole tomatoes upside down, just like I'm showing in the video. This helps in easily removing the skin later. Cover again and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. Peel off the tomato skin. Mash them gently with a spatula and cook the mixture. Now it's time to add spices to taste: coriander powder, cumin powder, and red chili powder. Saute everything on a low to medium flame for that deep, rich flavour. Then add julienne, ginger and green chilies for that authentic Afghani touch. Finally, mix in 1 cup of curd, stir well, and cook until the oil separates beautifully. Your rich and flavourful Afghani Mutton Kadhai is ready. Serve hot with Afghani naan or soft homemade roti. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Afghan-Indian Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.